We all love a good deal, right? And what's better than getting something with cash value for free? Dare I say, nothing? Here's 5 hacks to help you score money and gift cards for free. Opinions. We all have them. Whether it's your thoughts on a recently released movie, the new hair care product you bought, customer service you received at a store, or even a heavier topic like politics. While you're sharing your opinions with others for free, millions of people are earning money sharing them with the market research company Inbox Dollars, up to $20 per survey to be exact. You can also get rewarded for trying out featured games, shopping online, redeeming grocery coupons, and reading emails with advertised products and services. Inbox Dollars surveys take as little as 3 minutes, so you can do them whenever you have a few minutes to spare, and you'll get paid in redeemable points. Once you've earned your first 15, you can collect your money by mailed check, a linked PayPal account, or gift cards to a ton of different retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and Target. After that, you'll only need $10 to cash out. To date, Inbox Dollars has paid out more than $80 million in cash rewards to its members. Yeah, that's a lot of cash. Sign up via the link below and verify your email address, and you'll get a $5 bonus right off the bat. If you're anything like me, you probably spend way too much time on your phone. But what if you could turn that screen time into cash? Well, guess what? You can. Kick will pay you for trying new apps and answering survey questions up to $500 in your first month. Once you've got $10 in your account, cha-ching, you can cash out straight to PayPal. To date, Kick has paid out a whopping $2 million to users. You'll even get $1 just for creating your account. Getting paid for chilling on my phone? Sign me up. And who knows, you might even discover a new favorite app. Surveys, polls, focus groups, product testing. Brands want to know what you think and are willing to shell over some major dough because your feedback helps them improve their products, which will ultimately make them more money. So, your opinions are pretty valuable. And Survey Junkie will make sure you're rewarded for every single one. Every day, Survey Junkie pays out $40,000 in cash and gift card rewards to its members. Its surveys, which are its most popular activity, pay up to $45 each. Not bad, right? And if you want to maximize your earning potential, keep an eye out for monthly promotions, product testing, and focus groups, which can have even bigger payouts. If you're active, you could bring in a few $100s a month with this company's surveys alone. Having an extra $750 can make a big difference, especially when money is tight. Bonus Bucks is a rewards program that offers cash for completing various deals, like trying new apps, signing up for subscriptions, or playing games. All things that are easy and even fun to do. Just follow the instructions for completing the required number of deals, and before you know it, you'll have earned a $750 gift card. And the best part is, you get to choose between Amazon, Visa, Walmart, or Cash App. Not to mention, unlike similar rewards programs, Bonus Bucks not only shows your progress, but also allows you to withdraw money as soon as you've earned $25, which can be achieved with just a single offer. You're starting to see how that $750 isn't as far away as you may have thought, aren't you? When it comes to easy ways to earn gift cards, Swagbucks offers the most convenient ways to do so. From taking surveys to shopping to playing games and even surfing the web, Swagbucks offers a slew of activities that pay in reward points that can be redeemed for gift cards to your favorite places. If you prefer your points as cold hard cash, you can collect your money via PayPal too. Swagbucks gives away 7,000 free gift cards every day. And since 2008, it has paid out over $856.4 million to members. If you're not already using this rewards program to earn, you really should. Plus, when you sign up at the link below, you'll get a free $10 as a welcome bonus. And as a member, you'll have access to tens of thousands of surveys, daily polls, plus more than 1,500 retailers, including grocery stores, and even some restaurants that you can earn reward points with. If you want to earn money for every minute you spend surfing the web too, make sure to do your browsing using Swagbucks' Yahoo-powered search engine. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to start earning. I linked everything in the description to make signing up easy. So go claim your sign-up bonuses, subscribe for more ways to make free money, and get that coin.